What is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server side. It's a built on Chrome's V8 engine, making it super fast and efficient. Unlike traditional server-side technologies like Apache or PHP, Node.js uses a non-blocking event-driven architecture. That means it can handle thousands of requests simultaneously without waiting for one to finish before starting another. This means Node.js is perfect for real-time applications like chat apps and online gaming. What is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? A callback function is a function passed as an argument to end the function, which is then executed after the parent function completes. In Node.js, callbacks are often used as asynchronous operations like reading files, database queries, or API calls. Since Node doesn't block code execution, collaborates it uses callbacks to continue with the next task and come back to the results once it is ready. What is the purpose of package.json file in Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? Package.json is the heart of a Node.js project. It contains metadata about your project like its name, version, and author. More importantly, it lists all the dependencies of your project needs. Some key properties include name, the project name, version, current version, dependencies, the packages your project depends on, scripts, custom scripts like start, test, etc. It helps others understand your project and install all required packages easily with just one command. Explain the differences between required and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Required in the common JS way of including modules, while import is the ES6 syntax. Node.js originally supported only required, but now it supports import too. If you are using ES modules, use required in older code, or if you aren't using Babel or TypeScript, use import. If you are working with modern JavaScript syntax and want clear, more standard module is handling. What is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in an Express application? In Express.js, middleware functions are like layers that process requests before they reach the final root handler. Middleware can log data, authentication users, parser request bodies, and more. For example, app.use request result recent next. What is RESTful API? How can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP method used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API follows REST principles and allows clients to interact with your server using standard HTTP requests. In Node.js, you can use Express.js to create endpoints. The main HTTP methods are get to fetch data, post to create new data, put to update data, delete to remove data. Next question. What is the purpose of the Node Package Manager (NPM) and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? NPM is the default package manager for Node.js. It helps you install and manage libraries and tools. For example, to install Express, we use npm install express. This adds Express to your Node modules folder and updates your package.json file. You can also run scripts within it and even publish your own packages. Why is it important to hash passwords in your web application? Hashing passwords is crucial for user security. If your database gets hacked, your raw passwords can be exposed. Hashing converts the password into an unreadable string. Even if attackers get the hash, they can't easily reverse it. Libraries like BCRYPT are commonly used in Node.js to safely hash and compare passwords. Thank you.